Hello guys, here is a small presentation about only you can make it possible. Create a situation to make something easier to happen. Do not wait for the opportunity. Instead, create your own. Watch, listen and learn. You might not be knowing everything, so sit back and observe. There is so much to learn when you watch and listen. The more you learn, the better you do. You become more capable of what you are. Yes, be thoughtful. Pay attention to the people and things around you. It gives you a way to practice. Responding and acknowledging is a thoughtful action. Understand to improve and upgrade yourself, which will enrich you for your own good. Be careful and think before you act. Set your mind to be in the right direction. Think about the possibilities of situations to cut out the unwanted consequences. Make the best decision out of it. Every day is a new learning. Ask yourself questions. Did I handle the situation well? What better I could have done? Am I working towards my goal? How would I work more on my abilities? When will I be proud of who am I? Why not I could make this happen? Remember to reveal yourself by watching your own actions. Everyone feels being nice and cozy, but you should know when to say bye to your comfort zone. Of course, we all have a set of dreams and desires in our lives to achieve. Magic happens when you truly work for it. Believe and refuel yourself to have a fresh start. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.